A little over a week ago, we uploaded a video regarding Google Cam on Mi A1 and Zenfone Max Pro M1. And one of you asked about the home screen setup on those phones, and well, you asked for it, you got it. Let's start by downloading a couple of apps. First off, Nova Launcher, the universal choice for Android customization. Next, an icon pack by the name of Minimal O. It costs $1 or 70 Indian rupees. We have already purchased Minimal O, so all we have to do is just install it. Nova has been downloaded, and here we go. And let's go dark theme, swipe up for the app drawer, and this is what Nova gives you as the default. We wanna go full pro, so we're gonna go ahead and download the Prime version, which is $5 or 100 rupees. We already purchased the Nova Launcher Prime as well. So we now have all the great features of Nova. The Mi A1 has a 5.5-inch screen. So let's go ahead and set the desktop up accordingly. We'll go 10x5 for icons. We'll remove the labels and keep the icon size at a sweet 105%. We're gonna get rid of the page indicator. After disabling the dock, we will set the app drawers grid at 5x5 and the icon size again at 105% and let the labels be. We've chosen the dark theme. The background of the drawer will be dark. We will make it a little bit transparent though. Now let's do some icon pack magic in look and feel. We will choose the newly downloaded Minimal O from the plethora that we have got. The home screen looks dull. But wait, it's about to get awesome. Let's get rid of every damn thing that's on the desktop. The app drawer is well and good, just as we desired. Now here's where the disabling of dock makes sense. In gestures, set the swipe up gesture to open the app drawer. It works like the dock, but on the whole desktop page. Swipe down is good as it is. Let's put the Google widget back, changing its color to white, logo to colorful, and shape to curved, so that it matches the overall aesthetic of our setup. Now let's put the apps on the desktop that we want: WhatsApp, Contacts, Phone, Play Store, Google Chrome, Messages, Camera, Gallery, and all. Let's make a folder for Google Apps, Docs, Gmail, Google Pay, YouTube, and etc. Put YouTube at the top left corner of the folder and rename it as Google. Here it is, pretty good. Now keeping up with the holiday scene, we put up a reindeer wallpaper that we got from the Wally app. It looks better, but I don't like the WhatsApp icon. Let's change it. The same with the phone app, retro music app, and also change the name of the YouTube app since it is a mod. More on that in a future video. And now, absolute sorcery. Keeping up with the uniformity, let's make the Google folder hide under the YouTube app. Here's how it works. You tap on the icon to open YouTube, but swipe up to open the Google folder. You can put a clock widget if you want. Also, download now the Nova Google Companion APK to get Google Now on swiping the desktop page. Install it, and this is it. Congratulations. Enjoy your new setup.
Although we didn't put a clock in this setup as asked by Fresh Update in the last video, we'd like to answer that the clock widget in the Mi A1 in the last video was Common Clock. Yes, its name is literally Common, from Trident for Super Widget.